What's up mga Kapadyak? It's been 2 weeks since I have my new bike, the 2019 Bossnut Evo bike Calibre. In this video, gagawan po natin ng bike check ang aking bagong bike at saka test ride na rin. So mga bagong viewers natin sa channel to, please don't forget to subscribe and watch the previous video. The link is in the description box below or sa taas. Anong pang iniintay natin? Let's get into the video. Saddle is Bolt Sport by WTB. Handlebars is Core Durox. 118mm yung haba. Sa cassette naman at saka sa rear derailleur ay SRAM NX 1x11 system. Sa crank naman is by Semok 32T narrow wide ring. Torque suspension is by RockShox Recon RL 130 travel. Pwede rin itong i-adjust yung lockout at saka rebound. Rear suspension RockShox Monarch R 130mm travel. Pwede rin i-adjust yung rebound. Brakes, hydraulic brakes by Shimano MT500. 180mm yung lapad ng disc sa harap and 160mm yung lapad ng disc sa likod. Yeah, feels up. Yeah, it's a nice brake. Maganda yung brake nito. Isa pa. Ayos. Nakatid siya. Tires is by WTB Trail Boss 2.25 sa likod at Vigilante 2.3 at sa harap. Wheels is by WTB I-29 front and rear. Both tires and rims are tubeless ready. So pag ready na tayo mag-tubeless, pwede na natin silang i-tubeless. And if you guys have any question sa mga hindi ko nasali, and just comment down below and I'll be happy to answer your questions. I-test ride na natin to. God damn! It's muddy! Yep, my tires are not meant for this. It's so muddy as hell. Unit! Shit, that almost hit shit over there. Woo! Oh my god! Slap the lips! God damn! Woo! Oh, wrong line. Man down.
Yo, that's the best.
Dude, it's like a shortcut that we did from the Methuselah one.
I love this one.
Yeah, I should have put my mask. Woo! Woo! This guy's still pedaling. Woo-hoo! Oh man, I want more. That was an awesome ride with my coworkers Matt and Sheridan. Sobrang saya, and then definitely go back again next weekend. First time ko dinala yung Black Diamond Trail. Oh my god, this bike handled it so good. Wala akong masabi. The only things that I don't like, yung seat post ko. Kailangan ko bumili ng drop hole seat post. Ang medyo nahihirapan ako i-adjust every now and then yung saddle ko. The one that I don't like about that bike is suspension ko sa likod. Hindi ko siya adjust ng lockout. Ang pwede ko lang i-adjust is yung rebound. So pag paahon ako, nahihirapan ako umahon. And the pedals actually, I need to change that. And kasi hindi siya kumakapit sa paa. Nadudulas yung paa ko eh. So yeah, that's the only issue I have on that bike. But overall, that bike is amazing. It's a good bike. It's worth it. Gumastos lang ako ng $1,000 for that bike. Only thing that I need to upgrade is saddle post at saka yung pedals, and pretty much that's it. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Mag-subscribe kayo kung gusto niyo pong ma-follow yung story ko about mountain biking. Mga bagong viewers natin dyan, please mag-subscribe na kayo mga kapadyak, kasi I'm gonna be uploading more videos about mountain biking. Kasi nakaka-addict talaga ka mga kapadyak. So please do subscribe. Mag-comment din down below din kayo dyan sa mga OG riders dyan na nanonood, kung anong kailangan ko improve sa riding skills ko, at saka sa mga kapadyak natin dito sa California. Just hit me up. Maybe we could do collabs, and I'm open to that. Big YouTuber or small YouTuber, kahit na wala kang YouTube, email me and then we could go ride together, as long as na available ako. See you guys next time. Peace.